Well, the problem was actually with the internal battery, the PRAN battery or the CMOS battery or however it is that you want to call it. When I got this machine, the battery was depleted, so I had to remove it to avoid leakage and such. And it was having that weird behavior where basically you power it up, it doesn't do anything on the first time, then you have to power it down, power it up again, and then the video card kicks in and everything starts working. But still, like it starts loading the extensions and then it reboots by itself and then keep going normally. So it needs basically 2 reboots to finally get this working. I replaced the battery with new ones that I ordered from Amazon, and now it's behaving exactly the way it should. So I'm going to show you here. I just turn on the monitor now. It has been this computer has been shut down for the whole day. So basically the last time I used it was yesterday. So let's power it up now and see what happens. So it should boot immediately without any issues. So again, the monitor is already on. So let's see if we get image. We should have. There we go. As you can see now, the problem is gone. It was the battery. I was suspecting on that. I actually mentioned that in the previous video. And it's not rebooting upon loading extensions anymore as well, which was also caused by the lack of CMOS battery. So as you can see, this is how important the CMOS battery is. Basically, it holds information on the computer that allows it to properly boot up. Without it, basically, it sometimes presents those strange behaviors. So if you see that in a computer you're buying, it's not the end of the world. You just have to basically like replace the battery and you should be good to go. One thing that I noticed as well is that interestingly enough, the video card is actually performing a little bit better. I can see, like, for example, 2D drawing, like for example Windows dragging and this sort of stuff, or Windows resizing, performing a little bit better now with the new battery than it was before, which is kind of weird, but again, it could be related to the settings on the card being stored. I don't know. But anyways, like, it's fully functional now, no issues whatsoever, and ready to go. There we go, a full boot without any issues. So let's wait for it to finish up booting and then I can finish this video as well. Yep, there you go. All good. Talk to you later.